XPENG is expanding its model range in Germany with a third completely newly developed model, the XPENG G6 SUV Coupé. The electric SUV Coupe is now available in standard range version at a price of 43,600 euros. As a long-range version with a 87.5 kWh high-voltage battery, the XPENG G6 costs 4,000 euros more. The performance version with all-wheel drive costs 51,600 euros. The SUV is based on XPENG's newly developed EV platform called Smart Electric Platform Architecture 2.0 Full Domain Intelligent Evolution Architecture. The XPENG G6 adopts a sporty yet refined design language, reflecting the brand's commitment to aerodynamic efficiency and visual appeal. From the front, the G6 features a low-slung bonnet, slim LED headlights and a clean minimalistic grille. The lighting signature is aggressive yet elegant, complemented by air intake sculpted into the front bumper. A light bar spans the rear, giving the SUV a futuristic presence, while the sloping roofline and ducktail spoiler add a coupé-like flair. The car measures approximately 4,753 mm in length, 1,920 mm in width, and 1,650 mm in height, placing it squarely in mid-size crossover segment. The drag coefficient of just 0.248 improves efficiency and range, a crucial factor in competitive EV market. Stepping inside the G6, drivers are welcomed by a tech-forward minimalist cabin that feels premium without being ostentatious. The dashboard design is clean and functional, dominated by a 15-inch central touchscreen that handles most vehicle function via XPENG's X Smart OS interface. In front of the driver sits a 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster, displaying essential information in a crisp, uncluttered layout. The steering wheel features integrated touch-sensitive controls, and the center console offers 50-watt dual wireless charging pads, USB-C and USB-A ports, and ample storage. The absence of physical buttons may be polarizing, but it contributes to the G6's futuristic aesthetic. Seating is another strong point. The front seats are heated and ventilated with power adjustments as standard. The materials, including fox leather upholstery, soft-touch plastics, and ambient lighting, create a comfortable upscale environment. A panoramic glass roof floods the cabin with natural light, enhancing the feeling of spaciousness. Rear passengers enjoy good legroom and backrest recline, making the G6 suitable for long journeys. Luggage space stands at 571 liters, expandable with the rear seats folded. The stylish XPENG G6 SUV Coupé, in a standard range version with standard rear-wheel drive, features an LFP high-voltage battery with a net capacity of 66 kWh. The DC fast charging power is 215 kW, the charging time from 10 to 80% is less than 20 minutes, and the combined WLTP range is 435 km. The electric drive in this version produces 258 horsepower and delivers 440 Nm of torque. The XPENG G6 rear-wheel drive long-range features an NCM high-voltage battery with a net capacity of 87.5 kWh integrated into the flat-floor structure. In this version, the SUV Coupe travels up to 570 km, WLTP combined, and the battery charges ultra-fast with up to 280 kW. The motor has an output of 286 horsepower and achieves a torque of 440 Nm. The XPENG G6 all-wheel drive performance features two electric motors with a total output of 476 horsepower, a 190 horsepower induction motor at the front, and a 286 horsepower permanent magnet synchronous motor at the rear, and a torque of 660 Newton meters. The XPENG G6 all-wheel drive performance sprints from 0 to 100 km an hour in 4.1 seconds. The maximum range is 550 km WLTP combined. The top speed for all versions is 200 km an hour.